want to show you how to play Good Luck Charm by Elvis Presley. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. There's a mix of his vocals and harmony all the way through. Even in the introduction, you have D, D sharp, C and E, E, F, D and F sharp, E, F sharp, D and G, C and E, B and D. So it'll sound like... Now the left hand is just going to have a C, E, G, E, D, F sharp, A, F sharp, G, B, D, B, G. So you've got a C arpeggio, a D chord arpeggio, and a G arpeggio twice. To put it together with the introduction. And then you're into the main melody where he comes in with D, 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 E, G, D, 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 E, D, A, B, 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 A, B, A, G, G, E, E, D, C, B, A, G, and the chorus D, E, D. Here's that harmony, D and F sharp, E, D, D and F sharp, D, E, D and F sharp, D and G, C and E, B and D. And then here's your chorus, your ending of the chorus there. D, D sharp, C and E, and then the backup sing to him, C, E, C and E, E, F, D and F sharp, and the backup sing D, F sharp, D and F sharp, D, F sharp, D and G, so it'll sound like... And we've got those same arpeggios that we have earlier. Now for the verse, the verse starts off with G, B, D, B, then C, E, G, E, G, B, D, B, D, A, D, A, G, B, D, B, C, E, G, E, D, F sharp, D, A, F sharp, G. And then the intro of the chorus is, the first three notes are by the a cappella. And then we start off with the D arpeggio. D, F sharp, A, F sharp, G, G arpeggio, back to D, and to C, D, and end with G, 2 times on that G arpeggio. So the intro, we'll start hands together. Slowly for this verse. There's that harmony. And the first time you go straight, and the second time real quickly. Slow it down even more for that. Now notice that bass comes in slightly after the treble each time there. Put them together if you want, but it sounds better to just delay it just a second. See, it sounds better if you just come in slightly after it. And then the second verse is nearly the same with just a few rhythmic alterations. hit the lower note a little bit stronger and then lift off of it as I go up to the top of the register. Do-dee-da-da-da. This time at the end of the chorus, he repeats that line 3 times. So the first time you just play it, and then you play G, B, D, B, G, B, D, because the vocal comes in on top of that. And then it answers with a bass. So the bass is going to be D, D sharp, E, D and F sharp, E, F, F sharp, sounding like this. First time they do it, he comes back with, oh yeah. Then we do it again with that bass. And we just ended. Then we're into the third verse. Now the third verse starts with a pickup. So you come in right after this beat, G, B, D, B, B, before the G, so that pickup comes in between the B and the G. Now I would probably slow it down just a tad on that last chorus, because this is a chorus with a tag. The bass, only you got harmony there. And here's your, for the last chord, I just hit a full chord, G chord, B, D, G, with the G on top. And then you can either hit a G, D, G, or you can hit an open 5th G. There it is with that open 5th. Here it is with the extra G. It just makes it a little richer. Here it is with the octave. Just makes it a little richer to have that extra G in there. Either way works. There you have it. Good Luck Charm by Elvis Presley. Hope you enjoy playing it.